hard to find a book?
GottaBook got you covered.
Looking forward to avail a limited edition book? GottaBook is the answer.
GottaBook, designed for instant pleasure.
Our company envisions our product to help our customer in searching for the right book as their learning material. In terms of mission, our company produces a revolutionizing product that contains various functions that might be handy in the search of a book that can change the world of bookworms. And also, it can make their book hunt a hassle-free.
Hello, for our product illustration, as you can see here on the slide, for the first pick, it's the login form of the application where you have to log in your account, and if you don't have an already account, you can have a sign up button. You have to just press it to sign up the account. And for the second pick is the main graphical user interface where you can search the book that you want, and then if you find some words that will match the database of the books, you just have to click the book that you want to, and then after that the nearby bookstore on your near location will be pop up, and that is what's the purpose of this app, where if you click the here for example is the fully book, no, makikita natin yung unavailability of the stock. So dun pa lang makikita na natin yung ganda ng ating application. And then for the second slide is, ayan na, kinilik mo na yung ibang bookstore, which is the national bookstore, eh dun mo makikita na available na, may availability yung app. So if that's so, you can click for the navigate button on the bottom, and then it is like any other app that will guide you to the route, to the locations. Okay? And then afterwards, if you already arrived on that bookstore, you can see here the reward code where you have to present it on cashier. So basically that code will generate a reward points for the user of the app that will use them, that it can use it to have a discounts on specific books, or either you can use it as already a money to buy that book. Okay, and then lastly for this slide is about the menu button. You can see your my account, the configuration of your account, and then the rewards that you can see there the accumulated points everywhere. Every you present, the code that was generated while using the app on the cashier, that on the bookstore that you the previous product illustration. Here we can emphasize the purpose of our product, and first of all is the convenience. Based on my experience, naranasan ko na, I've already experienced the one time na nag-release ng book, yung paborito kong banda, and then I went to the following stores, bookstores, na kung saan meron daw available doon. So pumunta ako. Pagkapunta ko dito, wala na pala. Hindi na pala available yung book. Pumunta ulit ako dito sa other branch, hindi ulit available. So that is basically the main problem of our proposal. So doon namin na-generate yung purpose ng aming product is more about the convenience. You can just easily search the book if you want, and you can easily find the availability of the product. So napakadali na lang, no? Yan, availability. And then pagdating naman dito sa security token, just like what I've said earlier in the product illustration, that every time you use our app, it will generate a code that you can present to the cashier while you are purchasing the specific book on the bookstore you selected or navigated using our app. So in terms of security, you have an own account that will make us as a privacy of just a one-to-one account. Okay? So that's all.
In terms of mission, our company produced a revolutionizing product that contains various functions that might be handy in the search of a book that can change the world of bookworms. And also, it can make their book hunt a hassle-free.
Okay, so the name of our company is GottaBook Corporation. It is an application that makes finding books more convenient. It is an application, and the application's name is GottaBook. It is located at 4th floor Farmers Plaza, Cubao, Quezon City. It is a shop type.
The number of our employees is 11. The cost from category we spend from our program is rent per month, 4,000, electricity per month, 1,200, salaries per month from IT team, which we hire from our position. IT network head is 10,000 per person, but since they are hired by us too, we calculate them as 20K. Application development, 5K per person, since we are 4 per applicants, so we pay them as 20K. Telephony, 2K per person, which we are 3, and we pay them 6K. Technical support, 2K per person, we hire them as 2 applicants, so we pay them 4K. From raw material supply, software, server, laptop, cell phone. Initial payment upon release of application is 2,500 pesos. In additional costs, technology developing website, getting point of sales post machines, internet, based on IT team salary, programmer, website, and designer. From loan, we decide video. 200 pesos is our starting point to our business. Total approximate cost per month is 112,900. Expected number of costs per month, meaning number of downloaders from our company, which is 10,000 downloaders. Expected number sales per day, meaning number of people that valid our premium version, which is 67 people.
So in this part, we will discuss the breakdown of income. 51 times 0.02 is equal to 10.2. This is the conversion of dollar to peso. That 0.2 refers to the number of dollars per download. 10.2 times 10,000 is 102,000. This is the income based on the downloads, while 10K as the number of downloads. The next is 2,000 times 100 is equal to 200,000. The 2K is the number of downloaders that availed the premium version as stated before. The next is 302,000. This is the total gross income. The last is 302 minus 112,900 is the net income. The 189,100 will be our income per month. So under condition of 5 months payment loaning system will be 41,820. It will be per month for 5 months with 0.84% interest. So 189,100 minus 41,820 will be 147,280. It is our total net profit under the loaning system. Okay, so the next cost is the initial payment upon release of applications. This will be the cost of our company's expense to release it into the market. It will be 2,500. The next is advertisement and promotion. For the tarpaulin, it will be 500. The next is FB ads for 1,000.
Customer job. The customer should manipulate the application well in order to maximize its value. The product is a well-systemized application. Next is customer pain. Number 1 is the data usage. While using the app, it will consume data. And second is advertisement. It will appear on the app. Customer gain. Our application is convenient, manageable, and availability is guaranteed. Our application will help the students, professors, book lovers.
So our early adopters are students and bookworms, and if they're searching for specific books, they can use our app to help them find it immediately. This app will help them search or hunt their book hassle-free, and it will save them some time finding the books that they need. So it's a big help for students who doesn't have the luxury of time searching or finding the reference book or learning material that they need in school.